Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing a first time unboxing and review of the Trader Joe's pop-up sponges. Earlier today I actually went to Target and got some all natural sponges, and then later on went to Trader Joe's and I actually saw these pop-up sponges that I previously seen and noticed that there's a pack of 12 sponges for only $8.50, which is pretty affordable. Thought this was an interesting concept, and so I decided to purchase them just to try them out. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the packaging real quick, we'll take them out, and I'll throw one of these in water to see it pop up and get a sense of how it functions. Then I'll try using these over the upcoming month or so just to get a sense of kind of its performance and how well it performs and whether I would recommend them. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links below if I can find them, but we'll get started. So these are the Trader Joe's pop-up sponges. You can usually find them in their household aisle. Usually it's around the dog supplies or the hand creams. They also have a dish cloth as well that's reusable. I actually recommend that. You can check out my other video on that content. But these are made from all natural vegetable cellulose, so it's good for the environment. It says instructions: dip in water before use. This contains 12 sponges. The wet size will be 4¼ inches by 3¼ inches by 1 inch. So very typical size for a sponge. And then it's a product of France. And that's all it says as far as the packaging. Here you can see what it is. It's basically these wafers of 12 different sponges that are in this package, which is very, very small and compact. It's surprising that you can have this many sponges in this. So I'm really curious to see how this functions. So we'll just open these up and take one of these out. And so this is what it looks like, almost like a stick of gum kind of thing. But it's a very compact, very hard material that feels like a wafer kind of thing, and that's what it is. So it's pretty interesting. Now what I'll do is I have a glass of water here. What we'll do is we'll just throw this in here and get a sense of how it works or what exactly happens. And so we'll just watch for a moment and see. But yeah, that looks like it's almost like full size. So it's about the full size of a sponge. It definitely feels like a sponge material. It soaks in, absorbs water very easily. Now it feels like a typical sponge, like a normal sponge that you would get in any store. The edges are kind of a little bit ruffled, but in general, it kind of looks and acts like a sponge. This sponge does not have an abrasive surface, so typically you would either need to get a brush or some sort of abrasive pad to clean your typical kitchen stuff if you need. But I could see this being something that's easy to use with a cleaning a cleaning spray, or just wiping things down with water. It does absorb a lot of water. We'll just throw this in to see how well it absorbs. So yeah, immediately it absorbs all the water there, becomes saturated, and you can wring it out pretty easily. And it's like a soft, spongy material. So that's all I have for this video. That gives you a sense of what this product exactly is. If you're in Trader Joe's, it's $8.49 for this 12 pack of sponges. So if you can use this, it's probably better for the environment, and it's probably more affordable than other sponges, but very comparable as far as initial appearance to your typical sponge without an abrasive surface. So I'll try using this out, and I'll circle back if I run into issues, and I'll give you a sense of how it performs. But thanks for watching and have a good day.